So today we're going to be dyeing this ash blonde wig to a nice bright orange color, and I have the Adore Cajun Spice and Ginger combo. And to get a good vibrant color, I'm going to be doing the watercolor method, starting with a nice bucket of hot water, boiling hot, steaming hot, whatever. You need the water to be hot for this process. So I'm dumping the whole bottle of the Cajun Spice in because I really wanted it to pick up that color. And then I'm going to be dumping the whole bottle of ginger in as well. And then you just want to stir it up. Alright, so now it's time for the fun part. I started off with the roots of the hair first because apparently dipping the roots in first makes them lighter than the ends or something like that. I honestly don't think that applies for wigs, or at least not this wig, because I had toned it with like a ash blonde toner from Watercolors, and the roots are the darkest part of my wig, and you'll see that if you decide to watch my next video and for the install. So yeah, I'm just dipping it on in there, and the ends actually ended up being lighter than the roots, so it came out really pretty, but I'll just let you watch. Oh yeah, I just wanted to add a disclaimer that I am not a professional, nor have I ever done this method with dyeing a wig, nor have I ever dyed a wig before, so this is all new to me. So you may see other videos with the watercolor method that they don't leave the hair in the water for that long, but I decided to just let it seep on in there to get as much color as it possibly could. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It actually picked up a lot more of that nutmeg color, and I really wanted it more of like an orange color, so I eventually did add some more Cajun Spice to the water, and then I dipped the wig in a little bit more. See, I didn't add in too much color. I just did a little droplet. I don't know how much of a difference it made, but well, actually not a little droplet. I put basically the whole bottle in there. So yeah, it made a difference, I guess. And now I'm dipping for round 2 so I can get that orange color that I was really shooting for. At this point, I just let the wig sit and do its thing. I can't really tell you how long I let it sit in there, but I'll say the dyeing process is probably about 10 to 15 minutes of just like putting the wig in the water. At least in my experience of doing it. Some people may just leave it in there for like 2 or 3 minutes, but I really wanted that color to pick up, so I just let it sit, and I figured it wasn't hurting anything just letting it sit, and I got the results I wanted. So do what you feel is right, girl. So I finished the dyeing process and now I'm just blow drying the wig because I did install it on the same day that I dyed it. And I really wanted y'all to see how the color looked with the wig dry. Alright, so this is the final look and final color. It's giving very much Chucky. It's giving very much fall vibes. Very much I did that. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this quick video. And I will see y'all for the install. Bye.